All right, guys, this is one absolutely gorgeous 1965 Karmann Ghia. Tell me what you've done.
It's been a long time in the making. It's been a long time in the making.
Yeah. Okay.
We call this our COVID car.
Oh no, poor baby.
So we're getting close. We did, you know, obviously we've been dealing with a wheel / alignment issue in the rear, and that's really the last thing to work out. So if you follow me around, we'll go to the interior first. So
Yeah.
There's no knobs or anything.
I know, it's all shaved off. That's so cool.
I'm going to get the remote here, so if you want to pan inside there and see the stereo
Yeah.
deck. And then I'm going to turn the lights on so you can see the gauges backlit.
Ooh.
So make sure you get that. You can get that on video.
Ooh.
All right. And I'll go ahead and turn it on so the stereo runs. And you can hear that. It's got a Pioneer deck with Rockford Fosgate amp and speakers in the back there in front. So we'll let that come up, and let me see.
Yeah.
You can see the seats real quick. And
Yeah,
those you see the speakers in the back for them?
Oh, let's see.
Let's see the speakers behind the seats back there.
Yeah.
And you got kick speakers on the
Haha.
on the sides over there. You can see them. And
That is so cool.
Let me turn this on. So
Okay.
Turn it on here real quick. All right.
Oh, wow.
We have adjustments to do, but you can hear it.
Wow. Yeah.
Happens to be a commercial right now.
Right, of course, of course.
Anyway, so there's that. So if you look, go around the front here. We got LED headlights.
We didn't do any music on that because we don't have copyright.
That's true, that's true. Music will sound better.
Look from the front, get a wide
Whoa.
view. There's his headlights. Get his
All right, guys.
Headlights there.
Woo! Oh my goodness. That's bright.
Yeah, the hood is.
What?
So there's
That's awesome.
that. So it's all electronic. So
Oh, that's so cool.
There's his mirrors.
Oh yeah, these are. That's so
So
cool.
we're gonna go to the back, and I'll start her up for you.
Oh my gosh. That's
I got Willwood red calipers on cross-drilled rotors. So
Oh wait, yeah.
Back's off.
Oh,
right
back
now.
also.
See that?
Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
let me. Oh yeah, before we do that, so the 356 grills on the deck are in.
Nice.
You got the tail lights working there, and I'll start it up for you.
All right, ready? Let's hear it.
Okay, so
Woo!
there it is.
There we go.
Yeah, the lights working and stuff. So
Oh, that's amazing.
yeah, there you have it.
That's so cool.
So there we are.
There we are.
65 Ghia, tan all the
Woo-woo.
way around. Yeah, we got a little bit left to do, but not a lot. There you go.
That's
pretty
gorgeous.
clean.
That is
Clean.
very
One of my
clean.
favorite remote opens everything up. All
Amazing.
electronic.
People aren't gonna.
Getting close, Mr. Gazzo.
Yeah, like people are gonna pull up next to him and be like, "What is that?" You know.
So,
All right. Oh, there's so much room in here.
Spook's been working on this Miss Boggan's car.
Okay.
Miss Boggan's car came back from blast, and he's doing some skim coat and a little bit of body work. We're not painting the car; it's going to a subcontractor, but we're doing a little bit of hail damage fix before it goes and gets painted them. So
That's
not
good.
our full. Not
Yeah,
our full
this is a
deal,
weird
but,
deal, yeah.
we are doing a little bit there. So.
Yep. All right.
This motor sitting here is a brand new Type 4 and transmission.
Whose is
the customer
that?
brought in. They brought the motor in. It's going in their bus out there.
Wow.
The green and white bus. Yadinski, Mr. C. Yadinski.
That's a huge looking
coming up
engine.
soon, a whole new
All right.
Type 4 situation. Mr. Hersker's outside.
Getting some sun.
He's actually coming tomorrow, so his license plate's on. He will run you. If you remember the video last week, we were doing this gas tank. Well, we put the gas tank in after we reconditioned everything, found a pinhole leak.
Oh.
So we have to go back through. They make a coating that you can put inside the tank.
Okay.
These old tanks is you want to try to keep your original tank, and you let it sit for 48 hours, and it seals
Really?
everything. So
Oh, that's
we got to
awesome.
do that so we can use this old tank. The only other option was buy a new tank, and he didn't want to do that. So
Yeah.
we're doing that.
Okay.
And it'd be on, but it will start under its own power. So
That's
tomorrow
so
when he comes,
cool.
we're going to use a gas can. And
Oh,
start
yeah,
the
yeah.
car for him. So
All right. There we
all
go.
the windows are in, and his
Yeah.
doors are in and working. Well, there's no window handles in there, but the windows are all in. all is. The only reason we haven't put the seat back in is he's got to figure out that semaphore wire and stuff, and that'd be the last thing on that.
Okay.
And then this thing will be going home.
What about windshield? Windshield. No windshield?
Oh yeah, well, Spook's working on that. So
all right, cool.
It's got your American look, so the chrome going in, so they're he's doing that in there. We're going to pop that in there. It should be in there today.
Nice. Oh, that sounded like a directive.
I was promised it would be in there today. So
all right, tell me about Major League. What are we doing here?
This is Mr. Baylor's car. As it came in, we got the motor out of it, which we'll see in a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, the first thing is it wouldn't move. The brakes were locked up, so where the rear we had to take apart. So anyways, it's in the middle of diagnosis. We found a leak. It leaked all over our floor in here. So
oh, that's why the kitty litter.
Why we got the motor out. We were working on the brake issue, and we got a few. We're not doing a whole lot to it, but several things to it, and trying to get them. We got the motor out there kind of running, but we need to tune it up.
Yeah.
Fix to bring the Burton square back in there, so next week we'll see it under condition, underway. So
all right.
And that's why everything's open. We're moving everything around.
Look at that, guys. This is a very rare sight.
Shot through with a 52 Zwitter.
Yeah.
Slide away so we can see the Zwitter. Jeremy. Slide away so we can see the Zwitter.
Clear the set, yo.
We're coming through to see the Zwitter.
Look
so that's where Mr. Baylor's car put brake fluid all over our floor, but it's okay.
Thanks there.
Yeah, we're gonna fix that up. So yeah, the square back's fixing to go on that lift right there. So get it on there. Up here, Mrs. Boggan's, all the parts are in for the pants. We're fixing to do that. This is the motor I was just talking about, the black Super Beetle. This is the motor there. We got motors lined up. So this one's getting done. We like to do them on our test stand to do all the work here. So getting it all done, putting new rear main seal and all that, getting it tuned up. And then this is Mrs. Riley's brand new motor for the 69 Ghia. And same thing, it's got to get put up there and tested, even though it came running and tested.
You just never know.
And then out here, we got, that's the next candidate. We're fixing to pull the body off it. There's Miss Boggan's car. Fixing to go to the body shop.
There we go.
And then this one is fixed to come in here and get the body removed and get new pans, because this is the one that the holes through the floor of the battery.
Oh, right, yes.
So
the Yabba Dabba Doo car. Yeah.
Pulling that body off and the motor's getting ready to go on the test stand and pans and all that. And then here's the Zwitter sitting outside for the first time in a long time. And it will start too. So.
Oh, man.
We got doors on and they close. We're working on it. We're getting close now. So let's see what we got here.
Woo! Nice.
What a rare sight that is.
Oh my goodness.
So there it is, huh?
Wow.
We're getting close, Mr.
Yeah. Getting close. Can you imagine him just tooling around? This is a daily, folks. I don't know. Would you put a 52 Zwitter on the road? Why not? If it's your dream car, he chased this car for 26 years before he got it. So do what you want to it, man.
Yeah, we raised it up an inch. It was we liked the lower. We got the stance the way we wanted, but we wanted to raise it a little bit because we don't want to rip fenders off.
It's preferable.
I don't want to paint it again.
Yeah. So anyway, that's what we got going a lot. So next week you see a whole different thing, because I'm fixing to pull that in there in the square back. You see all kinds of new stuff going on. So
that's exciting.
We're trying.
Very exciting.
We're trying. What can you
do? We're doing.
We're doing it, man.
We're doing it.
We are doing.
Take the win.
All right.
Fantastic. All right. So we still have this. What year? 79. Westy?
Yeah, somewhere around there. 70s.
Somewhere around there, late 70s.
And
it's for sale. It's gonna get cleaned up.
Still hiring.
Still hiring.
Need people bad. Come on down.
But not bad people.
We've got way more work than we're over capacity. We need more staff. So if you want to come build Volkswagens, 256-714. Oh, I'm sorry, 256-828-2123. You'll talk to this joker, or you can do info@airkooledkustoms.com.
Yep.
She'll put a little link in the description.
Of course.
And that'll go to this joker too.
Bug-A-Paluza coming up April 8th through the 10th. So come see us there. We'll be set up, have a booth.
Yeah.
And I'll have a sign saying we're hiring there too. So
yes.
If you want to talk more about it, come see us at Bug-A-Paluza while you're in the spirit.
And we're not moving the shop for all you guys that go,
right.
I wish you guys were closer. Man.
Yeah, it's too bad.
Okay, that's it.
All right.
We got stuff moving, guys.
Well, that's all we want, right?
Yep.
Get things done right and get them out.
All right.
All right.
Bye,
Well,
nice
bye, nice
people.
people.